Imagine you have a super smart assistant, but right now, that assistant is locked in a room. You can slide a question under the door, and they slide an answer back. That is what we have today with ChatGPT. But what if you unlock the door? What if you gave that assistant a keyboard, a mouse, and internet access, and told them, go build me a website, or go book my flight? That is the difference between an AI model and an AI agent. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what an AI agent is, how it works, and show you real-world examples that are changing the software industry right now. To understand agents, we first need to look at what we are using right now. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini are AI models. They are passive. They are like a brain in a jar. They have immense knowledge, but they can't touch anything. You ask a question, they give an answer, and then they stop. An AI agent is that same brain, but given tools and autonomy. An agent doesn't just talk, it takes action. It can open a browser, write code to a file, run that code, see the error, fix the error, and keep going until the job is done. Think of it this way: an AI model is a consultant who gives advice. An AI agent is an employee who does the work. So, how does an agent actually work? It follows a specific loop. First, it perceives. It reads your instruction. Second, it thinks. It uses an LLM to plan the steps needed. Third, it acts. It uses a tool, like searching Google or executing a Python script. And finally, this is the most important part, it reflects. It looks at the result. Did the code work? If yes, great. If no, it tries a different way. It solves problems on its own. Let's look at some real examples you can show your students. First, there is Devin. This is a software engineering agent. You don't just ask Devin to write code. You ask Devin to build a website. Devin will plan it, write the code, run the terminal, fix bugs, and deploy the app. It acts like a junior developer teammate. Then there are research agents, like AutoGPT. If you tell it to research the best laptops for coding, it won't just guess. It will go to Google, visit 5 different websites, read the reviews, compare prices, and write a summary text file for you. It does the browsing so you don't have to. We are moving from the era of chatbots to the era of agents. As students of technology, we need to learn not just how to prompt a chatbot, but how to supervise an agent. If you found this explanation helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI technology. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust an AI agent to do your work for you? See you in the next video.